Nah, we'll be all right. We just need a little cool, dry spell. We can get back going. You know, we had plans and then all they done, you know. Hurricane Ida hit. We got the eye wall, I guess you'd call it. Tore everything up. Trees, all the crops, everything gone. Wind come out the east and blew everything down. Took the tin off the shed. It's out there in the field. Killed all the peppers. The eggplant looked like they're gonna die too. A few of the spinach might live, but that's about it. Never missed a farmer's market, and this will be the first time. There ain't nothing I can do about it though. Always there, but I mean, I can't go with just a little bit of okra, and when we got so much other stuff on our mind, you know. It's just too much. But we'll be back October, November. We'll make it back, huh, Jose? You hope so, huh? If we can get the lights on and get somebody, you know, cleaned up and get a little routine going, it'll be better.
Yeah, this is the one I've been kind of scared to come look at. I'm supposed to be planting half this field tomorrow. I don't think we're gonna do it. But we'll remake it and see what it does. But not tomorrow. It's been worse. It's been much worse.
Saying a beat for the family, it kind of teaches them as they grow up that it's not, all, you know, things are just things, and you get through it as long as we're safe, and you know, we can always rebuild.
So far I'm seeing that it's really, really hot. I'm seeing there's no gasoline available. I'm seeing that we don't have any electricity, you know, just like everybody else in this region. Standing right behind where I'm standing is the first set of corn that we had put in. That should have been ripe, let's say somewhere around late October. We have another set on this side of the field that was to be ready right before Thanksgiving. We're still here. The house is safe, the family's safe. We'll clean up the mess, scrape it back together, and see what we can do with it.